Welcome, beautiful people, to D Don Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D Don is back in the kitchen today to show you how to make, guess what? It's banana punch, right? Banana punch. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, hi, if you are new here, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And to all my supporter and subscriber, a big warm welcome to you. Let's get started. Chia seed, 1 tablespoon. 5 tablespoons of Quaker oat, salt, a pinch of salt, natural nutmeg, I'll grate a pinch of the nutmeg, 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 ripe banana. Because of the punch I'm making, I'm not making too much, so you can use 1 to 2 ripe bananas. Molasses, 1 to 2 teaspoons of molasses, 2 to 3 tablespoons of the peanut butter, and some honey for sweetening. Also, I'm using 1 to 2 cups of almond milk. You can use carnation milk, like evaporated milk. I'm using the honey for sweetening. You can use maple syrup, you can use sugar, you can use sweet condensed milk, whatever you want to use for the sweetening, you can use. Ripe banana. I'm gonna peel your ripe banana. If you want, you can cut or you can just break it and put in the blender. So you can use a blender for this. You can use a NutriBullet. I'm coming in with the oatmeal. This is 1/3 cup of oatmeal, which is, when you measure it, make it easy if you don't have the measuring cup, it's 5 tablespoons. Almond milk, 1 to 2 cups, as I told you. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And use 2 teaspoons, as I said before, 1 to 2 teaspoons of the vanilla. Molasses, 1 teaspoon of molasses. A pinch of salt. Let us grate the nutmeg. When I'm making this juice, I just like to use a natural nutmeg. Peanut butter, like 2 tablespoons. Cash seed, and the next cup of almond milk. I don't want to overload. So this is the honey. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey. You can add any amount of the honey you want. You know, the kids can drink this. If you have some people have allergy to peanut, so you don't have to use a peanut. You have allergy to peanut, do not use the peanut. You can use yogurt. You're gonna place it on the blender or your NutriBullet. And here we go. So our banana punch is now ready. Wow. And it's looking so creamy. So we're just gonna pour it out. So guys, please give this nutritious banana punch a try. You will enjoy it. You will love it. Breakfast on the go. It keep you going all day long. You have no energy. This is the juice for you. Give it a try. I thank you beautiful people for watching this video. I love you all. One love. Enjoy your banana punch. Peace. I'm out of here.